Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin has just arrived. This is the Kisses and Hugs January 2022 paper pumpkin, and they're a little later. Right now the supply chain issues have not affected me Stampin' Up wise too bad. So this is kind of the first one, so I can't be too sad about that. So here it is. I wanted to show you right away because I know some of you haven't gotten them yet or you haven't seen them yet. So this is Valentine-y, very exciting. So of course there's a Valentine themed stamp set. Let's take a closer look at that. I think I have it upside down. So you've got love you, for you, friend, more. So you can say love you more, sending you love, and of course X's and O's, some hearts, cute little arrows, and some accent dots. Super cute stamp set to add to your collection. Alright, and our spot color this month is Gray Granite. Now I do want to point out that you can get these little boxes right now. They're 20 boxes for $10. It's amazing, and I grabbed a couple because I always need little boxes to put out like little party favors and stuff. Even not for Valentine's Day, these would be really cute. Wedding shower, or even just for lots of occasions. Really, XOXO can't be necessarily Valentine-y, but real cute to put out on a table if you're having people over for around Valentine's Day too. Co-worker things, desks for a meeting, you can give everybody a little box, whatever. My cat is wandering around. Normally I lock her out of my office, and I was just going to do this video really quick, and I didn't think about it, and I think because I'm talking in here, she had to come and see what was going on. Okay, that was Trixie. Okay, look at this. Really fun accordion cards. Cute. Oh, they're much bigger than I thought they would be, too. Oftentimes for Valentine's Day, they do treat boxes in the paper pumpkin kits. And I usually buy extras so that I have some. And I have actually an extra kit from last year with the little treat boxes. So I didn't need any. And because of that add-on boxes that I bought, I didn't need any treat boxes. Okay, Trixie. Come on, pumpkin. There we go. I didn't need any Valentine treat boxes this year, amazingly, and I made a bunch of really cute ones just with the boxes from the catalog, so I'm glad these are cards. First off, really pretty iridescent sequins. Already have adhesive. You've got your dimensionals. Look at these pretty pink envelopes. Oh, look at the inside foil. Really nice. And then we've got our cards. Isn't that fun? Kind of an accordion fold, or do you do it like this? Let me see. I think accordion fold. Those are really cute. Yep. That's cute. So that would be like the front. I'm doing it wrong. This is the front. So then they open it like that. That's cute. I think there's probably a couple different ones. So that's that one. Oh, and then here, a pink one. So this one would go like this. Really pretty. The XOXO. And then we've got cute little hearts to put on top. Oh, Trixie's back. That's a cute little arrow. Plenty of those. These are for the inside to stamp your sentiment. Really cute. Or write a greeting. This one dresses up one of the insides too. Let me show you actually. Alright, Trixie, honey. She's kind of new. We've only had her a couple months. She's grown, doubled in size. I don't know if you've seen her in a previous video when she's wandered in. Okay, so this goes in the center like that. Some real pretty vellum here they are. Hearts. So they're layered like this. So pretty. So as usual, I buy extra paper pumpkins, and so if you missed out on this one and you wish you had a kit, let me know. I'd be happy to see if I still have one available. Here's your directions. I love that they're in color now. Aren't they nice? Super great instructions. If you would like to get this kit or any of these add-on boxes, please let me know, and I'll see if I still have some for you. And also, while I have you, I'm going to tell you that I'm having a BOGO on some retired products at my blog. And so if you make I can't speak. If you make a purchase from my Stampin' Store, like from the current catalog or the new Spring Mini, you can choose some retired products free. Or if you don't need anything, because maybe you're a demonstrator, so you'll already buy from yourself, you can just choose from the sale prices too. So go ahead and head over to bethspapercuts.com and check out my garage sale link. And again, if you need any paper pumpkin, let me know if you missed out on this one and would still like it. Also, I should tell you that Paper Pumpkin you can get on a month-to-month subscription basis, or you can prepay for like a block of them. And if you do a 3-month subscription or more during Celebration, which is going on now, January through February, if you buy a 3-month subscription prepaid, you can choose a free Celebration item too. That's a little thing that people don't realize. So think about that. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.